Hi, I'm Kenna Sackett with Lee J. Sackett Incorporated, and we're here at the Minnesota State Fair. Today's spotlight tractor is this 1968 Allis Chalmers 190XT Diesel Series 2, and we're going to start it up. The first step is to make sure it's in neutral. Next, we have to pull out this knob, which controls the fuel injector pump, so if it's out, that means that we can turn it on. Next, we turn the key for the ignition, and then we press this button. Lee J. Sackett Incorporated has made it their tradition to finish a restoration project by assembling an Allis Chalmers tractor at the annual Orange Spectacular show in Hutchinson, Minnesota. On several occasions, Lee and his crew have chosen tractors that belong to Dennis Vignieri for this event. 2025 was no exception when they assembled this 190XT at the show. To prepare, the crew first tackled a large number of mechanical problems and a lot of leaks. The tractor had been used a lot over its lifetime, and many parts were worn out. The tractor actually had to be split in half in two different places in order to make some of the repairs. The rear rims were rusted out, and the sheet metal parts had many dents and dings along with a lot of rust. Lee's crew repaired all of these things to bring the tractor back to better than new condition. After repairs were made, the tractor and all its components were sandblasted, primed, and painted. Lee's crew and even some of their family members helped assemble the tractor at the show. Lee drove the partially assembled tractor in the parade on the first day of the show.